11.3 fourth question. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. So fence, that is around this circular garden, not full. Okay, so we have to find the area. Okay, then they said it as diameter is diameter from this point to this point, and this is passing through the center, that is equal to 21 meter. So diameter is equal to 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. So you want to fence by a rope. Okay, so 1 time perimeter, that is the circumference. Okay, the length of rope will be equal to the perimeter or the circumference of the circle. How many times they need to tie? 2 times. So 2 times circumference of this circle. Okay, circumference. So also find the cost of rope. If it cost rupees 4 per meter, we have to find the cost of rope. For 1 meter, that is equal to rupees 4. Then what is the total length of rope? For 1 time, that will be the 1 time circumference. But they have to tie 2 times. So 2 times the circumference. 1, again 1 more. Okay. So it is given diameter of a meter is equal to 21 meter. Then length of fence is equal to perimeter of garden or circumference. We can write here circumference of garden. Why? Because this is in the shape of circle. Then length of rope, that will be 2 times circumference of this garden. Then 2 times, here diameter is given there. Then pi multiplied by diameter. Here we have to take pi is equal to 22 on 7. So 2 times, that is given in the question. We have to consider pi is equal to 22 on 7. Sometimes this will give. We have to consider pi will be 22 on 7 or 3.14. Okay, that will mention in the question. Sometimes that won't mention. At the time you have to take any one of this value. Any one value. Don't take 2 values. Only 1 value. So we can do this calculation 2 times. That is 2 times they need to fence. 2 times pi, here 22 on 7 multiplied by d. D is equal to 21. We can cut this 2. That will be 3. So 3 times 2, 6. 22 times 6 is equal to 132 meter. But the question didn't complete. Actually the question was, we have to find the cost of rope. Total cost of rope. For 1 meter, that is 4 rupees. But the total length of rope is equal to 132. So we have to multiply 4 times 132. So that is equal to rupees 528. So the total cost of rope is equal to 528. Clear, children? Next question is, from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter. That is, there is a sheet that is in the shape of circle. That is circular shape. Then the radius of this sheet is equal to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Then the next one is, circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. So we have to cut out this 3 centimeter radius, that is 3 centimeter. Okay. Then find the area of the remaining part. Now this will be a big hole because we cut 3 centimeter from this sheet. First there was a sheet. Okay. There was a sheet, full sheet. Okay. Then we cut 3 centimeter circle from here. So now this is one big hole. Okay. Now there is no part. Then we have to find the remaining area. Clear? So first we have to find the area of first circular sheet, full sheet. Okay. Then we have to subtract this 3 centimeter radius circle's area. Okay. So now we can write the step. Area of remaining sheet is equal to area of circular sheet, that is before removing. Okay. Circular sheet before removing and area of removed sheet. How much removed? Clear? Then first pi capital R. We can give this one as capital R. Then this one small r. That will be radius itself. Okay. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So pi we have to take it as 3.14. What is capital R here? That will be 4 squared minus pi 3.14 multiplied by 3 squared. Okay. Then 3.14 times 16 minus 3.14 times 9. The answer, when we are multiplying by 16, we will get 50.24. Then 3.14 multiplied by 9. The answer is 28.26. We can subtract this one. 50.24 minus 28.26. So here 14. This will be 0. 14 minus 6, 8. 0 minus 8. Not possible. So this will be 9. This will be 10. This will be 4. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Keep it there. No, not 10. Here this became 1. Because we have taken 1 from this 2. So this 2 became 1. So 11 minus 2, 9. Then 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 21.28 centimeter square is the area of this shaded part. Clear? Sixth question. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table to cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace cost is rupees 15. So we have to, there is one table in circular form, that is in the form of circular. So what is the next one given? Diameter is 1.5. So diameter is 1.5 meter. Then we have to find the length of lace. Okay. What will be the answer? We have to find the circumference. of table. That will be the length of lace. Okay. Circumference of table. Here 1.5 is given there. So diameter is equal to 1.5. We have to find the radius, or diameter also we can use. Then 1.5 by 2 is equal to 0.75 meter. 0.75. So circumference of table is equal to pi r square, here in meter square. So that will be meter squared. So pi we have to take it as, not pi r square, 2 pi r. Pi r square is for area. Sorry for the mistake. But here 2 pi r. So 2 times we have to consider 3.14 as pi. Then radius equal to 0.75. We can multiply all these things. So now we will get 4.71. While we are multiplying, we will get 4.71 meter. So the length of lace is equal to circumference of table. How can we find the circumference? 2 pi r. 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius. Or here the diameter is given. You can directly multiply. That is pi d. At the time there won't be 2. Because 2 times r is equal to diameter. Double of radius will be diameter. That is given. You can multiply these two numbers directly. That is 3.14 multiplied by 1.5. Both answers will be same. Then we have to find the cost of this lace. Total cost of. Then cost of 1 meter lace is equal to 15 rupees. Okay. 15 rupees. Then here the total length of lace equal to 4.71. We have to multiply by 15. The answer will be rupees 70.65. 70 rupees and 65 paise. Clear?